enterprises are struggling to extract, process, and comprehend data from volumes of documents to uncover underlying business value. Whether it's a bank, insurance company, logistics company, or any other organization, they are all dealing with declining workforce productivity, longer time to value, revenue leakage, and increasing penalties owing to regulatory breaches. Additionally, enterprise documents are extremely complex in nature with domain specificity, diverse and varying formats, types, templates, layouts, structural elements. Compared to ensemble learning models, most existing document processing solutions have disjointed approaches. These make them inefficient in solving complex enterprise document problems. Nia DocAI is a purpose-built document extraction, processing, and comprehension platform with advanced AI capabilities that use an ensemble of various machine learning and deep learning algorithms, working together seamlessly to produce highly accurate results. Nia DocAI optimizes the document processing pipeline right from ingestion to consumption. This enables enterprises to unlock business value faster. Let's see Nia DocAI in action. DocAI supports out-of-the-box connectors, which provide the capability to ingest a wide array of diverse documents from a vast set of enterprise data sources. The platform uses its computer vision-driven pre-processing for improving the quality of scanned document images. This automatically improves the quality of extraction by providing clean documents for processing. The platform's inbuilt advanced computer vision capability leverages state-of-the-art neural architecture to provide industry-leading accuracy for classification. Nia DocAI's algorithms can classify documents based on visual attributes of scanned images, as well as based on textual rules that incorporate key phrases and their positional information. Nia DocAI eliminates the need to define any positional template configurations. It enables users to focus on the information to be extracted without having to specify its location in the document. The user can view field-level confidence scores and exception processing details for the data extracted. Nia DocAI has the capability to extract from documents, having complicated layouts and different structural elements. The platform's built-in NLP capability extracts contextual meaning out of the documents using intent classification and named entity recognition, or NER, modeling. DocAI is unique in its ability to enable users to train and deploy custom object detection at scale. You can now recognize stamps and seals too. A user-friendly workbench supports human-in-the-loop. Users can review and validate the extracted values for documents in the exception queue. Managers and supervisors can easily manage exceptions by setting up quality control dashboard metrics, such as SLAs and confidence thresholds. Finally, the platform also enables users to consume the processed information. The platform's inbuilt cognitive AI-powered search enables users to search in real time for precise information across all processed documents using natural queries. The platform can also integrate with other downstream enterprise applications, such as chatbots, RPA, and analytics tools through adapters. This was just one example where Nia DocAI transforms the entire document extraction, processing, and comprehension lifecycle. Nia DocAI enables businesses to leverage insights and information that can drive effective business outcomes. Enterprises can achieve faster time to value and improve productivity for their workforce. They can also stay compliant with industry regulations through effective risk mitigation. Nia DocAI structures world's complex multi-document data and makes it useful and business consumption ready. Unlock enterprise document intelligence with Nia DocAI.